Okay, hello everybody. Welcome back to Home Tech Stuff. This is Rob again, and this video is talking about one of my Veto Pro Pack bags, tool bags. Actually now I have three, but I've had two for the longest time. I just got a new third one, which is gonna be replacing another bag here. You can see the bag in a second and flash up on the screen. Anyway, I'll do another video about that, but this bag is to talk about excuse me, not this bag. This video is to talk about this specific bag here that was and is used for data work, networks, fixing computers, fixing phone systems, the old phone systems, the new ones, the VoIP app, all that kind of stuff. All the tools in this bag, that's what it's for. So here we go. All right, this is Rob and we're back again. So this is my Veto Pro Pack LC bag. It is probably 20 years old. It has been through airplanes, FedEx, UPS, shipping and cross country to jobs, in the back of a truck, back of a car. It has just taken tremendous amount of abuse. There's some rippage here. This plastic bottom is fantastic. It just lasts forever. No, this bag is awesome. This company makes an incredible product, as I'm sure you know, or you're gonna know if you get one. Anyway, with this thing here, they got a really nice holder for tape measures on the side, clips for all kinds of crap. If you wanted to hang keys or something. On the side right here, I love these big carburetor clips. I use them for holding tape. I've got solder in here if I need to solder something. This guy is for some patch cords and audio cords for doing home theaters. One of these, I think this is an old crossover cable actually. Back in the day when you were doing networking and you had switches, before they had the auto sensing switches, you had to either purchase or make crossover cables so that they would talk to each other and cascade the data, that is. I just made my own. Just one of those things. I knew it would always work right if I did it. On the side here, I have a very interesting little tool that I got at a show. It's right there. It's a nice pointer. I lost the tip, but you know what? I don't care. It does a great job of pointing stuff out to people. And this guy is invaluable. This is a little magnet, picking stuff up. I always put it there. You're always dropping crap, at least I am all the time. All right, what do I have in here? Let's see. Okay, I got another Veto bag. This one is full of jewel cases and barrel connectors and audio connectors and all kinds of little crap that was floating around inside the bag. I bought this thing. Fits in here. These things are tough as hell. Great, absolutely great. Little case, safety glasses, and air protection. If you're doing a job in a factory setting or something like that where they got machinery going on, you need both of these. Can't always guarantee what they give you or what you might have will work, so I always carry my own. This is a little battery-powered soldering kit that I got a long time ago. Haven't had to use it a lot, but when I needed it, I had it. You can't always guarantee you're gonna have electric, and if you got to solder something real fast, it's kind of a pain in the ass to use a traditional soldering iron, so I just have this in my bag. It has saved my butt a couple times. All right, all you old school guys will know what this is. It's a stapler. Yeah, it's a stapler, but it's a stapler for cable. See the little U shape there? It's for Cat 3 or Cat 5 or Cat 6, whatever you want to staple to a board. We used to use it a lot with phone systems back in the day when we used these guys. 110 tool, impact tool, thunk. Oh my God, do this entire day. Your hands hurt so much. The sound, you can hear it in your sleep. If you use this tool at any time, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Right next to it is I got a Chrome tool that does the same thing, but for Chrome connectors, made in Germany. These are superior, in my opinion, to the 110s. It's got little scissors built in. This thing was great. Your hands never hurt after using this. And got to fish stuff out. You got little tools built in. Great tool. Great tool. Love the chrome connectors. Love them. All right, what else we got in here? Put that there. Ideal stripper. Yeah, look at that in there. Blade adjustable. Ideal makes great low voltage tools. Really do. I use a lot of their stuff. All right, I got a Crimper here for doing coax cable. And I got another one that's made by Ideal for Ideal's version of the connector. Doesn't work so good with this one. This works well with traditional ones, not so good with the Ideal one. So I got them both. Got a Crimper with a cutter on the end for if you're putting little electrical connectors on or little like low voltage stuff. This works great. This is kind of the same thing here. No, it's not. Different type of connector. Sorry about that. These are RGBs. All right, sorry about that. So this guy goes in here. Doesn't want to stay. Doesn't want to stay. You can go like that. And another Ideal tool for coax. This is kind of cool. You put the connector on the end here and you push the wire in and it gets the copper to go straight down so you get it the exact right length before you crimp it. Works fantastic. I've used this so many times. This is my male RJ45 crimp tool. Adjustable ends here. You know they have RJ11s and stuff, but who uses them anymore? I mean, everyone uses RJ45s. Everything's VoIP 110, or excuse me, RJ11, the old phone system, and unless you run into one that's already existing, they're gone. So this is like a 110 tool for doing specific type of RJ11s here, and no, don't even use this anymore. I got it just in case we have to go back and see an old customer. Another crimping tool made by, you guessed it, Ideal. Yeah, right. We got another cutting tool here and another tool that'll tell me what gauges of wire are. And I just have this because it is ancient. One of the very first data tools I ever bought was this guy. Yes, it's a piece of crap. Yes, you guys are going to break my balls because it is garbage, but it has the numbers. Before I had this, I would have this to tell me, and I just keep it in there just because I just can't throw it away. This thing reminds me of where we came from, I guess. I don't know. Sentimental hogwash. Yep, there you go. So that is that side. This bag just swallows everything up. Other side, same kind of thing. Little zip connectors. I got little dies in there. Nothing major in there. You're a phone guy. Yeah, old butt set here for the old style phone systems with the boards. VoIP today, don't need it, but you never know when you're going to run into a job where you do, so you really should keep it on. Zip ties, shrink wrap, some spare wire if they make something up. Look at that, Cat 3. No one uses that stuff anymore, but I keep it just in case. Testing tool, look at this. Need to find a wire. These things are awesome. Runs a tone generator on the line here, and you can find out where it's connected on the other end. It works great. I took that when we started really doing a lot of networks, and I made my own where this connects to a board or a panel, and then this end connects to that, runs the tone through the data wire, so I can find whichever specific data wires, because many times when you're doing these jobs, if someone already did it, I'd love to say that people are very organized and document everything, but they tend not to. So for a whole different host of reasons, so you got to find crap. Wrench for when you're doing cable TV. Let's see what we got here. We got all-purpose nose pliers. Use them all the time. I have another set of nose pliers that have a built-in twister in there and a crimper and another very small one. I just keep these needle nose pliers because sometimes I work on computers. And recently, one of my children decided to use his Chromebook keyboard as a punching bag. So rather than tell the school that he destroyed their equipment, I went and got the product, got the keyboard number, bought the keyboard and replaced it, and I used these tools to open up the Chromebook. So I got all my little Phillips flatheads and tweakers. Nice little, look at that, Ideal. I should be a salesman for Ideal. Look at that, that's really funny. Oh man, one of the oldest tools in my bag. I have no idea who makes this, but I have used this so many times for the Torx. Now I have Torx screwdrivers in here, but many times it's just faster to have this. Now I know the newer ones, they keep this is in here so you don't lose them. Because sometimes I'm in my pocket stabbing the leg, but you can see I used the hell out of this thing. This little adapter screwdriver really came in handy. I got a little Ideal torpedo level, yeah, with a magnet end. So you want to find out if something's level, really comes in handy. For my other bag, I have this too, but I'm thinking of looking at the there's a new one from Milwaukee, which is really nice. Birthday's coming up. I may treat myself to a new level. Yes, I'm a dork. All right, screwdrivers, Craftsman. Had these forever. Oh wow, look at the tips all destroyed there. Now that Sears is gone, I think Lowe's or Home Depot, somebody is repping. I'm gonna have to see if they give me a warranty job on this, because that it's not gonna work too good anymore. Regular mid-size flathead, worn out. Another one. Look at that. That's tips messed up too. Phillips head. All right, snips. Anybody in low voltage knows what the hell these are. You use these a lot. At least I used to with 110 jobs. But for data jobs, I use these more because I like the feel, and they're bigger, and they for me, these are better than these. Although they both did a great job, this one worked out better. Dikes, small dikes, big dikes, use them more than the small ones. Little pliers, occasionally use them. Use these a lot. Cutters by Ideal, yep. And then I got Cox cutters, which I would use. These are better, I think, than using alignments to cut Cox because they don't mushroom the cable because of the curve in the blade. I've used them so much I snipped the end right off. Pretty funny. All right, what I got left here running out? I got a little Phillips, little flat, little cutter, little tweaker, and then all my low voltage cutters, strippers here. So all these things are for cutting low voltage cable. This one was awesome. You just slide it on, twist it, and it cuts it right off. There you go. So that is pretty much it for what's left in this bag. I used to carry other stuff, but it's really became not necessary. But what I will, started losing it there. What I will say is that Veto makes an outstanding product, and you can't go wrong. Like I said, this bag is at least 20 years old, and I've used the hell out of it, and as you can see, it's still in really good condition, aside from the dust and some fraying and mileage. Literally, this bag has freaking miles on it, but it does the work, does the job, and get you where you need to be. I can't complain about it. I'll deal with that later. Anyway, This is my Veto LC bag that I use for data, telco, low voltage, coax, home theaters, wiring, that type of thing. Was a really good buy. They were, as you know, probably these things are pricey, but this more than made its money back for me, just by not being destroyed. I went through so many bags. My wife used to tease me a lot that I was going through bags. Like she said, you're like a clothes horse. You know, you're going through all these bags like women go through purses. But it's because I just have very specific requirements for bags to work well for tools, and the tools just destroy the bags until these guys. So that's my 2 cents on the Veto LC. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope it was helpful. If you liked it, please think about subscribing, liking, and if there's other things you'd like to see, stay tuned for more, or shoot me a message and we'll make a video for you. Have a great day, everybody. Catch you on the next one. See you. Bye.